fit any asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
for me ma obibia akwa bashonko edibatu my GH ede into munya ba mo so for Mexican na me de ensem ade go a circulate e wo bro edos wo oman mu e ba be so mu na etiefo ede de into je say Ghana haye ho na ede na cause report kire say former President John Dramani Mahama and a minority leader and member of parliament for NDC Amano Kono Kopiemu EC all because now one more presenting a year letter that just say one can say in person a year petition to a year EC any ye na ye ni mu se anko ye essence emra ye na minority MPs no ekopie mu wo ye aso ye wo no na report e beto odwa ni se na ye easy for se wo mo nye aware of their coming na ni na echi won sense se bisi a echi ansa na emu no kware ni na ebeba beto edwa na enu echi no e na che se e beto odwa se enkrofo minority a wo kopie mu wo EC bia ye wo no wo present letter before a wo ko na so ni name no ekoba se Ghana fo adwe o kire wo ne se even though se mo present letter na ka mo de mo petition to EC ni anka nipa ba ko betumi etusa anamono emra na sakasaka ye no ebepie mu Ghana fo kire ma dwe se indirectly amanyoko NDC for no mo person wo cause commotion chaos ewo oman we fi say wo mo ni ya wo mo ye nyina in the right sense no Ghana fo to say other options are better say options are normally wo mo take it na eno na former president Eddie na kuma so ade bi ekotu ja ewo ni Facebook page a kire se anko ye amaga na fo ni bi na ni se mo de kotu ja no wo de kotu ja fa EC wona minority ko ya ensem bi esi wo ho no na ma brand bi beyi na no ma wono so esa ebe kasa ho de therefore me fa former president ni se ma wo de to ni page so a Jesse Akotchin and Semple Fro Ede Abano and Somo. The former president made a post to solidarize with the NDC MPs who defied all odds to present a petition to the Electoral Commission. The Facebook user identified as Jamel said the minority MPs could have delegated one of them to present the petition in order to avoid the chaos that he repeated. The former president replied his comments in a dramatic way that some of his fans did not want to believe it. He described the guy as Ofui, a tearful, saying the Kobaye Papa, honorable former president, former president John Dramani Mahama. And the comments are wokoye fa EC any police for just say woman minority of parliament woman kwenya no amama ko mu EC afom petition antu jano abranti a just say wono so of Facebook de fo obi akọ obi anam obi wokohu comment former president afa sa incident esi ye no o comment ye sanka MP NDC amanyoko no ye ne se ba ko form president anka beboa esin se wo bo modi amutusa wo mu ka se wo mu ko isi wona che se wo mu no wo mu create bibi fufro impression fufura wan hwe ye di ohaw ebeba eye oman na tiefo ma me fa abrantie ne nsem wo di tuja pepepepe entuja ma before eye former president so ka che ne se oye ofui na etiefo say na abrantie Jamel mu good luck and no the what the page no so or see you are beating unnecessary war drum. Does it take a whole crowd in the form of demonstrations to present a petition? Why not just send Haruna Idrisu, that's the minority leader, to send it there? It better still you can mail it. My man, stop this thing so be all day behind you, but you are not following due diligence. The elections are over. At least let's have some peace. Therefore, say that Branty can in some more. Was to say Anka Ayamanyoko and this no making it to a penny, no, minority leader, no, Apple to Sana Mono, and Amber Melly. Nani awomo ye die womo support NDC Amanyoko ne pound makuma womo nanso saa ne yewe ya ekoso die enkyere ne mu die enkyere asomdwe enkyere akoma pa ema oman tikebe ya election no etuwetwa entinka Amanyoko NDC former Ghana for timemufo enya wo masomdwe kakra eno na ankoye ama yem papa na say na papa so cho ne pepepepepe say when you did let my vote count LMVC, you should have sent only one person to present the petition at Staff House. Ofui. Etiefo say na papa so ka do. Mama sambo obi, mama mbo obi. I say when you did let my vote count LMVC, you should have sent only one person to present the petition at Staff House Ofui. Etiefo say na ekoba yenti ama Ghana fu bebre ne fancy crampo doubt teachers ashi wo ma so say na former president pa utumi kasasa na ade na brante na kasa okasa yi anka boni endi mo no so na adwen na wo kire na so wa adwen kire bi anka say wo jato wo sense wo kasa brante yo ye fui na bebre surprise say wo mote sa wide no from former president na no na wo di no ho ya panete for mo di e se ni isi akoye no ma menka ye nkofo adwenche kakra emfa entuja Atogu Mazuya Steven or say in fact Mahama is a greedy man pa and Makisco also say can never ever be JM never it's here for na ye ofu yo kan yo Ghana for chira ba you say come to this street or say kaka Obi say I think it's true Miss Bell handling this account to ofui pa one say me be to say Miss Bell na handle did audio be to ja say Miss Bell na handle former president John Dramani Mahama account ntino obi su ababeka say we die ofui comment yi pa die o su say we dey Miss Bell ampa na handle president former president John Dramani Mahama account now obi su ba say come and read the end of Mahama's statement. Obi say, Ojimi, for Ghana for aba something ya momo di adwenche na no but na say the city bia mizu sound to adwenche former president say koba say abante Jamel obeja comment na no so comment e beto ni page so say wo fui no wadwenche wo mo say untu je wadwenche to your comment section wo na subscribe to Tumaji 8 and promote the channel by sharing and liking it. And therefore, MSC car almost so for another day. So, maybe if it's we ever so more. I had them the movie. That's never sign issue.